This shouldn't be too hard to fix with the right tools. There, better than new. Now to take her for a test toast. What the? Look at that! I'm the first non-Brazilian person to travel backwards through time.
Correction, Homa. You're the second.
That's right, Mr. Peabody.
Quiet, you.
I've gone back to the time where dinosaurs weren't just confined to zoos. Okay, don't panic. Remember the advice your father gave you on your wedding day?
If you ever travel back in time, don't step on anything, because even the tiniest change can alter the future in ways you can't imagine.
Fine. As long as I stand perfectly still and don't touch anything, I won't destroy the future. Stupid bug, you go squish now! But that was just one little insignificant mosquito. That can't change the future, right? Right? Go back. Fix future. This time I'm not gonna touch a thing. Ah! Ooh, ooh! Mustn't crush, mustn't kill, made it! Oh, I wish I hadn't killed that fish.